Hey guys, this is my new BMX bike, and here's a bike check. So let's start from the back. We have Colony Rainbow spokes hooked up to a Profile Mini, chrome polished with a G-Sport roll cage rims. And we have a Shadow Conspiracy chain, one of the toughest chains in the world supposedly, hooked up to a 28 tooth oil slick snafu sprocket with oil slick 175mm snafu cranks, hooked up to some snafu metal pedals. I really like these because the pins, they fall out a little bit, but they're really grippy, and they come with replacement pins. So I got myself a profile seat. Really like the skinny seat with the animal pivotal seat post. I got myself a Hyper Scotty Kramer Wizard frame with snafu oil slick myth bars and snafu magical forks hooked up to the same spokes, hub, and front wheel. For my brakes, I run Odyssey mono lever for the front, snafu cables down, upper gyro with snafu. Then we go down, then I run Odyssey cables, and then I tape them to the frame all the way down to an Evo 2 set with Odyssey clear brake pads. This bike is really good. I run a Colt bottom bracket. I run the female hubs, and I don't run valve caps because, according to my friend, it's too much weight. I don't know why, but I guess I'm not going to run valve caps. And these spokes are really light. They're like $1 a piece. But this is my new BMX bike. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have the Profile Elite Racing top load polished stem. And yeah, that's my new BMX bike. If you want to know anything, you can add me on Snapchat, jojo11.14, or my Instagram, jojo.vieira. See you next time. This is my brand new BMX bike. Peace.